Just wrap up installing our new GE washer and dryer set. I also made a few upgrades in the laundry area. I moved the vanity to the corner, installed a new mirror cabinet. I bought it from Amazon. I rerouted some plumbing to relocate the water line and drain. As you can see, I haven't patched the wall holes yet, but I'll get to that soon. What I wanted to share with you guys today is how I flipped the dryer door. As you can see, the washer door opens to the left, so I wanted the dryer door to open the same way. Flipping the dryer door wasn't as quick as I initially thought, but it wasn't complicated either. Definitely easier than flipping the washer door. There's no harness connector to deal with, and the only switch is for the interior light, which is located at the top, so we don't have to touch it. What you'll need for this job is a T25 bit and a 1/4 hex driver. At first, I tried using a manual screwdriver, but it was a bit of a hassle. The screws were tight and the angle just wasn't ideal. It's doable, but if you have a better tools, why not use them, right? So I grabbed my beautiful ratcheting set. All you need is the 1/4 size, and it made the job so much easier. Right, I'm gonna do the bottom first. See how easy is that? It's more easier to do this. For that, I'm gonna loosen the top. You have to support the door, of course. While doing this, I'm gonna take the bottom first. Right, so it should be okay, it's right there. And the top should be loosened already. Okay, that's it. See, that's how handy it is. You have a right tool, that's very handy. Let's see if we can get that ready. Right, so it's not gonna drop right away because that's hook. So you guys can see I'm not holding it. It's not going to drop. You have to and lift it. Oops. So just to lift it like that. There you go. You guys can see that there's a hook there, right? So you have to lift it like that and drop the bottom once this one is off. And drop the bottom like that. Right, so easy. Right, so next we're going to remove this cover here, and that is a star key. Right, so this time I'm gonna use my Work Pro 8 volts drill to make it faster. There. Okay, so I'm gonna be good. Right, so take it off. And alright, so this drill is really handy. It's only 8 volts, so it's powerful enough, and USB-C charging, and there's lights right there. Now I haven't charged it yet, I just got this, so now it's like 2 bars left. Right, so let's see how we remove this thing. Oh, it's just like that. See, then we are going to install it. Side bracket right there, so just like that. There's nothing special there. This thing can just go there. Just so easy to align, and the handy dandy Work Pro 8 volts. That's it. Yep, that's it. Alright, so the next thing is we have to move the hinge to the other side, and the reason why is, as you guys can see, the shape of the glass is not rounded, even the opening right there. So it's not just like you're gonna flip it 180 degrees. To do that, we have to remove all the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 14 screws, right? So maybe you guys wondering why I didn't use anything like a towel or blanket to protect it, because again, this is a new set, so I still have like plastic film right there, and that should be good enough to protect it, right? So what we need is a Phillips screwdriver. Just remove this. And the screws should be all the same sizes. Just have to make sure. Seems like. But we're gonna check one by one just to make sure that they're all the same size. One more. I think that's the last one. Oh, there's another one here. This is in front of me. Right, so all the screws are all the same. So again, just to make sure, probably different brand, different model, probably they're using different screws, but in this case, they're all the same screw. Alright, so the easy way is to grab this rubber here, because actually the rubber gasket comes with it. Was trying to pry it here with my fingers, but yeah, that's the easy way. Lift this up, just be gentle. Yeah, so it's kind of like pinching this ring cover, whatever you call this. Guess we're just gonna lift this. Probably you don't see any screws right there. It's right there. So those screws are the one holding the hinge. So we're just gonna reverse it like that. In here, it's just so easy. Just be careful, this one might pop up. Oops, yeah, it does actually, but it just goes like that, right? So it goes like that. So I'm not sure if we're going to reverse that as well, but I don't think so, because it only goes one way. So if it pops up like that, see this tab right there, you just have to put that in. And like that, again, it only goes one way. So right, so it was like that. Now it's like this. So it's like that. Now, yeah, I'm surprised actually that this is not plastic. Yeah, this is metal. There. It's a good idea to put it crisscross, I guess. Just to, you have to be careful not to pinch the rubber gasket. You have to lift it like that. You don't want to damage it. So here, this one here. Make sure. Alright, just gonna hold it up first, I guess. Yeah. And it's just like that. Right, so again, those two hooks are strong enough to support the door without the screw. But of course, it's always a good idea to hold it if you want to make sure. And this time is gonna be a little bit stiff because there were no screw in the hole. I think this is the first time that the screw gonna go in that hole. Just like it's going to make a new thread for it. This screw is like I guess it's a self-tapping screw. As you can see right there. So like this is kind of like a self-tapping type of screw. Like it's gonna make a thread on the new hole. See that? You're gonna feel like a little bit tight the first time you put it in. Right, so as long as you don't over tight it. You just have to make sure that the head of the screw is properly flush. Okay, right there. And that should be it. Let's try to close it. There you go. As long as it closes by itself. Right, so that's how you flip the door for the GE washer. Now I can open both the same way. Just better. Right, so and I installed this as well. It's not finished yet. Install this as well for my wife. There you go. It's supposed to be a shower folding seat, but it works here, so it's good. That's from Vivor, right? So like, you know, the leg is just like folding by itself. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.